Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home. Today's video is All Things YouTube Collaboration, Name Your Niche, hosted by All Things Tiffany Nicole. Here are all of the lovely ladies involved. The playlist with all of these lovely ladies is listed below in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. I have also linked their Instagram handles. Don't forget to subscribe, and when you go over to the other ladies' channels, make sure you let them know that I sent you over. Trust me on this. Just sit back, relax, enjoy the music, kick your feet up, take notes, write the recipe down. Make sure you look in the description box for the recipe. Make a drink. Do you, boo? For September, my niche is baking. And since my daughter is an amazing baker, I figured why not have her and her friend bake something that they've never had before. They've never had a scone. They've never even heard of a scone. So here we go. Tweaks that we made just because there are things that we like. So I will make sure that I have all of the recipes linked below in the description box. Next video, we are going to have my beautiful daughter bake something for us. I hope I'm not embarrassing you. So what are you baking?
Okay, so we're making pumpkin scones. It's made with flour, baking soda, milk, sugar, powdered sugar for the glaze, pumpkin puree, ground ginger, cinnamon, baking powder, vanilla, brown sugar, eggs, and butter.
Sweet. Half a cup.
No point bending backwards for me. I'm just shifting along. There's no use holding on. If you love it, you set it free. Just let it go, move along. That's how it's got to be. Breaking slowly for a while. Breaking is easy. Take your time. Don't just lay it on the line.
We are looking like in the background.
I'm just shifting along. There's no use holding on. If you love it.
So now we got the professional doing it.
I'm a co-professional. Okay, and then we're gonna mix together this and the wet ingredients.
Some you lose, some fall down, you get
could be lying and tell you you're fine. I could be lying the rest of the night, but I won't do it, no.
Moving right along from those wonderful pumpkin smelling scones, we are going to make icing. And if you're familiar with making icing, you know that you basically make it to the thickness and the consistency and whatever taste you like the most. So we're going to add some vanilla in ours because we really like that taste, as well as a little bit of salt. And I was thinking of lemon extract, but just stick around because we do have a trick toward the end. For our second fall dessert, my daughter Bree and her friend Caitlin will be making a spiced apple turnover with a spiced icing. So it's really just an apple turnover with a spiced icing. I'm really getting tongue-tied saying that. I know you've been told that everything is better with butter, and what you've been told is very true. And if you don't know, now you know.
You won't believe who he's calling that to. You don't deserve what he's putting you through. It's not your fault, though, no way I'm saying so. Promise you'll end it the second you can. Promise I'll be here to hold you, my friend. It's not your fault, though, no way I'm saying so. He's seeing someone else. He's been paying for hotels. Oh, it breaks my heart to have to tell you this.
So then you're gonna roll it like a regular.
Rolling with the homies.
Roll it hard.
The faster you realize the quicker.
And I bet some of you just thought that was home decor. Yep, this is what you actually do with it. It's a tool that you use in the kitchen.
Baby girl, know it hurts.
If you are familiar with this movie, leave a comment down below. Folks, we are down to the nitty-gritty. It is time to stuff these pastries. If only you could smell these apples. All hands on deck. Karia is in the background. She is actually buttering the pan.
Never had the forbidden fruit. Never drank from the fountain of youth. Who would have dared?
Here is the reveal of these amazing pumpkin scones. Now, I know they may not look good, but let me tell you, they were the bomb.com. So my daughter right now, she's just putting the spiced icing on them.
We're gonna use some of the leftover
Apples.
juice
Okay.
to make the,
Ooh.
sauce.
To make an icing, right? Okay, that'll be really good. The second icing was definitely a fan favorite. It was more spiced and it was amazing. Pumpkin scone taste test.
Actually good. It needs more icing.
See, it's good. Remember I said extra icing?
It does need more icing to be like, you know what I mean?
Is it good? Ooh, those apple turnovers. Apple pie. We were so excited to taste everything that I had not even cleaned off the table, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get that handled. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. I really do not take it lightly. If you are new, I'm Kim, K-Y-M. This is my home, and today's video was part of a collaboration that I am so honored to be a part of. So please be sure to check out the description box because the information is listed in the description box, including the playlist and all of the lovely ladies involved. Having me in this collaboration. I really appreciate it. I will have Tiffany's information linked below in case you want to get involved in the collaboration. Just content is amazing. Make sure you check out the playlist. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to look in the mirror and love on yourself because you are so important. Look in the mirror and say, I am worthy, I am loved, and I am important because you are.
It's not